Hey there folks, Chris here at IPD, and in this segment we're going to talk about P3 exhaust. And when I talk about P3 I mean 2012 and newer S60 T5 models. When it comes time to making exclusive products here at IPD, we make sure and go above and beyond. And that's why we make our own exhaust systems. These exhaust systems are exclusive to IPD. We're not taking anything off the shelf and modifying them or taking one from another manufacturer and piggybacking on them to make them work for your car. IPD products are thought out, they're designed in-house to work for you and your Volvo properly. One of the features of this exhaust is that we utilize a single muffler assembly with a dual outlet tip configuration, just like you would find on the factory T5. Now what IPD did is we made the elbows adjustable, allowing you to change the appearance of how the tips look within the holes that were cut out by the factory Volvo rear bumper valance. Now a lot of our competition uses fixed elbows, and what happens is when you have hangers or if the muffler's not positioned properly, it just kind of makes the back end of the car look a little offset. That's why it was important to us to give you the adjustability to make sure the rear end of the appearance of your Volvo is perfect. When designing this exhaust, IPD chose the highest quality materials for an exhaust system. We're using stainless 304. We also mandrel bend all the piping and we water jet the flanges, making sure that the bolt-in installation is perfect. You don't have to worry about it fitting into a different area. It fits in the OE location perfectly. Now let's talk about one of the most important features, the sound. IPD was very concerned about this when designing this exhaust for the T5 chassis. We wanted to make sure and give it a nice enthusiast tone to it, especially on startup or at wide open throttle. But while you're driving around in the vehicle, it's not going to push out any passengers, and it's definitely going to provide a neighborhood friendly sound when exiting your house or coming and going when you decide to go to the grocery store. We know you're going to like the tone. For more information, you can check out our product page about this catback section, or you can give our customer service agents a call at 800-444-6473.